In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create stunning typography art in Canva step by step. If you've ever seen bold quote posters or modern text-based designs on Instagram, Pinterest, or wall art prints and wondered how to make them yourself, this tutorial is for you. The best part is you don't need any advanced design experience. Everything we're doing today can be done inside Canva in just a few minutes. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss the export settings that give you the best quality. And if this video helps you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Canva design tutorials. Let's get started. First, open Canva and choose your design type. For this example, we're going to select Poster. Posters give you a large canvas to really let your typography stand out, but you can also use Instagram post or any custom size depending on where you plan to share your design. Once your blank canvas is open, the next step is to add texture for a more artistic feel. Go to the Elements tab and in the search bar type Paper Texture or Grain Overlay. You'll see a variety of subtle textures appear. Click on one you like and stretch it to cover the entire canvas. If it looks too strong, reduce the transparency slightly so it blends naturally into the background. This small detail instantly makes your typography look more professional and less flat. Now it's time to add your main word or phrase. Click on Text and then choose Add a Heading. Type a powerful word like Create, Inspire, or Bold. Short, strong words usually work best for typography art. Next, choose a big, bold font so your design has impact. Some great options inside Canva are Spartan and Anton. These fonts are thick, modern, and perfect for statement designs. Increase the font size so it fills most of the canvas. Don't be afraid to go large. Typography art is all about confidence and presence. Center your text roughly for now. We'll fine-tune alignment later. Now let's create a modern split-color typography effect. This technique makes your design look stylish and eye-catching. First, duplicate your text by clicking on it and pressing Duplicate. Change the color of the second layer to a different contrasting color. For example, you can keep one layer black and make the other bright blue or red. Then slightly drag one of the layers a few pixels to the left, right, up, or down. When the two layers overlap slightly, you'll get a trendy split color or shadow effect that instantly upgrades the design. You can experiment with different color combinations to match your brand or mood. Next, let's add supporting design elements. Typography always looks better with intentional decoration. Go back to Elements and try adding minimal shapes like circles, thin lines, or rectangles. You can also search for gradients to add a soft color transition in the background. Keep it simple. The goal is to support the text, not overpower it. Place shapes behind or around the word to frame it nicely. Adjust transparency if needed so everything feels balanced and cohesive. Now it's time to align everything perfectly. Great typography depends heavily on symmetry and spacing. Select your text and use Position, then click Center and Middle to perfectly align it on the page. If you're working with multiple elements, use the Tidy Up option to fix spacing evenly. You can also turn on rulers and guidelines to make sure everything is visually balanced. Small alignment adjustments make a huge difference in how professional your final design looks. Once you're happy with your typography art, it's time to export in the best quality. Click on Share and then Download. Choose PNG if you're posting online on social media or your website. If you're printing wall art or posters, select PDF print for the highest quality output. And that's it. You've just created stunning typography art in Canva using textures, bold fonts, split color effects, and clean alignment techniques. If you enjoyed this tutorial and want to see more Canva design tips, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next one.